Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. If you love your pet and you care about your vehicle, you need this, a back seat cover that extends from URPOWER. So basically, when you install this, you are going to get total coverage of your back seat in a durable, waterproof material. They have thoughtfully included pockets, and there's a mesh window for visibility and ventilation, but otherwise completely covers the back seat and extends. So not just the back seat cushions, but all the way across is a firm platform for your pet to feel stable. Now, my dog is 60 pounds. She easily and comfortably fits back there on this extender. There are openings for you to access the seat belts so you can buckle your pet in. They even include a strap for doing so. This is a thoughtfully made product and it is quality. I am continually impressed by it. I just can't get enough. Every time I take Honey for a ride, my car looks pristine. It even folds up a little bit. If you want to have room for a passenger, you can do that. So it's versatile. Everything fits in the included bag and you can store it easily in your trunk so that you always have it. And that mesh pocket is really very important because not only can you see what's going on, but it keeps your pet in the back where they're supposed to be. And check out how much fur from one car ride this back seat cover has protected my car from. So I am very impressed with what URPOWER has created here, a hammock that extends so your car is happy and your pet is happy too. This has exceeded my expectation and it has made car rides with my dog so much more enjoyable. And that is my point of view.